Hello lovely viewers, welcome back to my channel. Well, today I'll be preparing some sesame oil. Well, since these seeds are locally grown, they are really dusty because of the way we harvest them. So I'll have to clean them by sorting out all the dirt, and then I'll go ahead and wash it as many times as possible until it's so clean. You can see all this is dirt, and there's a little soil. So washing helps remove all this soil, the one you can't remove when you're sorting. I'll now go ahead and roast it until it's dark brown, like it's almost burning. When it's ready, I'll then let it cool off and then pack it in the bucket and take it to town for grinding, because that's where the grinding machine is. So in order to save time, I'm using two saucepans. There's this and there's this one here. So after roasting, that's how it should be looking like. And now I'm ready to go for grinding. Well, I've just come back from grinding my sesame seeds, and this is what I've got. So I'll get questions like, did you add water or something? No, there is no water. They just put in the grinding machine and then it comes out like this. So it's looking so dark because I chose to roast my sesame seeds until they were almost burnt. I did it by choice because it works for me better. So I'll go ahead and pour it right here in the saucepan. So when you look at our paste at this stage, you can see it's shiny. It shows that there is oil in it. I'll then go ahead and add in hot water and mix. It's becoming thick. Every time the paste becomes thick, I add in more water. And now you can clearly see the oil has started separating from the paste. So I'll set that aside and then use a spoon. There is no need for rushing. Take your time in order to get good results. So I'll just go ahead and tap on top and let the oil collect quickly. So with peanut oil, we use warm water, but with sesame oil, we use hot water. That's the difference. If you put warm water in sesame oil, you'll end up making a loss. So I'll now go ahead and scoop off the oil. Just like that. So now that our oil is ready, I'll go ahead and sieve it. So kindly, if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. Invite all your friends to subscribe and watch all my previous videos. So in order to preserve it, I add some little water and then cook it until all the water drains out, and then I'll be ready to store it. So when the bubbles come on top like that and it stops boiling, then it's ready. So right now I'll go ahead and pack in the bottle. So we're right here, we've got ourselves a full bottle of oil. This oil can be used for cooking absolutely anything and also in making salads. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.